now.
Mhm.
Zoomed it in.
Mhm.
Let me see.
Okay.
So anyway, this is my new survival map that I'm making.
And this is our first video.
Buckeye. Yeah, this is like our first video. I'm gonna kill these goats.
Sorry if it looks horrible.
Okay, hold on. We'll go over to Komodo Rock first now.
Do you have in-game invincibility?
No, I don't.
See? Look what I'm doing.
So, okay, I think that's the blood dragon right there. Are you a blood dragon? Are you a blood dragon, Sarah? Yes, you are.
You know,
Frap.
we can just go on Blood Dragon, right?
Oh yeah. You wanna make a second video of blood dragon?
Yeah.
Oh god. So our next video will be blood dragon, and I just got eaten by something, so I guess there's your answer. So anyway, I need to get my friends out. So I'm gonna go get this, and I'll go across the bridge to go to Komodo Rock. Shut up, Brody. Anyway, this is an alligator. How far is the how close are we gonna be for him to attack me? Okay, that's how close again. Hey, Mash. Come on.
Oh, since he's on Flat World, he might fall out of the world. Okay, I guess he was
Yeah,
lucky.
I was in the water. I think that's why. Well, that's not random at all. Got a head sticking out of the water.
That's the most
I
random
don't
thing
want
ever.
to. I love crocodiles, and I just kind of murdered one, but it doesn't look dead, really.
He loves
And
reptiles.
it's like if I walked into the water, this thing would jump up and grab my leg and yank me into the ground. Tremor. It's a tremor, Brian.
Okay, hold on a second.
Wee. Wee. Lizard. Well, you missed the great part. Well, we died.
Yeah, yeah, who cares?
The alligator kind of ate our brain.
No, that's a zombie.
Oh, you want me to prove it? You want me to prove it, huh? Watch this. Either this is some kind of freaking alien hybrid crocodile, or this thing wants to eat my head.
It's alien.
It's basically gonna be like the episode of
Oh
dying,
wow, holy
basically.
shit.
The episode of dying.
I thought this was supposed to be an episode of fighting.
Okay, thanks for the idea. I'll kill all my friends.
Ooh, we only got a minute.
Okay, that's because I'm best friend. Happy birthday to
Babe.
you.
I'd love to fucking kill you.
And I'll murder you too.
You stupid little bitch.
If I could kill you.
Die, motherfucker.
Dude, we can't put that on YouTube.
Yeah, we can.
No, we can't. Your mom will kill us.
Do you think my mom goes on YouTube? No. No. Focus. Focus.
I can't.
Okay, focused. I focused.
I can't learn.
Okay.
Ow.
See you guys in Blood Dragon.